Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Elevator, the podcast that lifts your English step by step. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Liza. We're so happy to have you with us. In today's episode, we're going to talk about one of the best topics in English hobbies.
Yes, talking about hobbies is a great way to start conversations, make friends, and practice English. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's learn together.
So, Andrew, what is a hobby?
Good question. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. It's not work, it's something fun, relaxing, and personal.
Exactly. People have many different hobbies: reading, cooking, painting, playing sports, dancing, and so much more.
You can say, my hobby is drawing. I like to play the guitar. I enjoy gardening.
Let's teach our listeners how to talk about hobbies in simple English.
Here's some useful sentence patterns. Pattern 1. I like, plus verb, plus ing. I like reading. I like cooking. Pattern 2. I enjoy, plus verbing. I enjoy swimming. I enjoy listening to music. Pattern 3. My hobby is, plus noun verbing. My hobby is painting. My hobby is football. Pattern 4. In my free time, I, plus verb. In my free time, I play video games. In my free time, I watch movies.
Let's do an example. Andrew, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading mystery books and riding my bike. What about you?
I enjoy painting and listening to music. I also love dancing.
Great. Now, let's teach more vocabulary so our listeners can talk about their own hobbies.
Here are some popular hobbies with simple vocabulary: listening to music, playing video games, drawing or painting, reading books, baking or cooking, watching movies, running or walking, playing an instrument like the guitar or piano, gardening, yoga or meditation, playing football, soccer, or other sports.
Let's say them slowly so our listeners can repeat, both slowly, with pauses. I like listening to music. I enjoy cooking. My hobby is drawing. In my free time, go running.
Now, let's have a longer, natural conversation. We're going to talk about our hobbies like a real chat between friends.
Hey, Liza, what do you usually do after work?
After work, I usually listen to music or paint. It helps me relax. I love painting landscapes.
That sounds peaceful. Are you good at painting?
I think so. I've been painting for 3 years. What about you? What are your hobbies?
I really enjoy reading. I read every night before bed. I also ride my bike on weekends.
Nice. Do you read novels or short stories?
Mostly novels. I love mystery books. They keep me curious.
Cool. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I sometimes cook on Sundays. It's fun and tasty.
Ha ha! That's great. What do you cook?
Simple things: pasta, soup, and pancakes. How about you? Do you like cooking?
Not really. I prefer baking. I love making cookies and cakes.
Oh, I'd love to try your cookies someday.
You're always welcome. Do you play any sports?
Sometimes I play football with my friends. It's a great way to stay active.
Awesome. I dance sometimes. It's my fun way to exercise.
Now, it's your turn, dear listener. Let's practice. Repeat after us. I like reading. I enjoy cooking. My hobby is football. In my free time, I go walking.
Good job. Now think. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? You can say it out loud right now.
You did great today. We talked about hobbies, useful sentences, and had a fun conversation.
Now for your homework. Write 3 sentences about your hobbies in English. Example: I like listening to music. My hobby is painting.
You can even record yourself speaking and listen back to improve your fluency.
Thanks for joining us on English Elevator. We'll see you next time.
Bye
Bye-bye.